Well, well, guys, I'm here to run my beautiful 1990s vacuum cleaners today, and this is Marshall Studios Forever here. Marshall Studios Forever is taping you from a live audience today. Also today, I just want to make two vacuum cleaner videos because I want to do the versus the Eureka the Boss Plus and versus the Hoover Preferred because I wanted to do these machines today, and first of all, and this is going to be awesome to do, and I appreciate you guys to do this. And first of all, I got to say these are my favorite vacuum cleaners at all times, and this is bringing back from the 90s. And the 90s did make some really fantastic vacuum cleaners like these, and also the Eureka Bravo Boss from the early 90s as well. And this Eureka the Boss Plus from 1998, it's a very powerful machine, and it is a really good vacuum cleaner to use, and it's powerful, it works fantastically, and it feels fantastic to use one of these machines. It feels great to use one of these. And first of all, I was really excited to run the vacuum cleaner today. And first of all, I love running these machines so much, and I really love to run these 1990s machines. And also, they pick up fantastically, and they actually do. Yeah. Also, I'm gonna get some drink of water for a second, okay? To clear my voice up. Sorry about that, you guys. First of all, I will run my Eureka the Boss Plus first. And this is a really fantastic vacuum cleaner to use. And first of all, this machine is very powerful, very strong. And also, number two, I'm just gonna do it, okay? It is a 12 amp motor. In 3, 2, 1, go. Well, everybody, this is fantastic. And first of all, well, alright, everybody. I'm running my 1996 Hoover Preferred. Okay. Alright, everybody. 3, 2, 1, and go. Well, you know what, guys? For first of all, that was a fantastic video today, and for first of all, I finally made a vacuum cleaner video today, and on these two vacuum cleaner older 90s machine I made, these are classics, and these are amazing to use. And also, the next video I will be doing a Blue Bissell 9-amp vacuum cleaner for the next video. Make sure you click thumbs up and hit subscribe. Click down below what you like to see. I'll see you in the next video. Alright? Bye!